So, the beginning step, we're going to pretend that my knee is the ground level because you can't see the ground and that will make it a difficult thing to explain. So, your stick is on the ground, you have your hand sticks here, you're holding just behind halfway, and it's leaning on one, and you're going to hit it to your other stick. Hit, 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 hit. This is much harder than if it were on the ground. But the idea is, it stays in the same position, and you transfer the weight from hand to hand. And you'll notice you kind of want to keep your sticks pointed in a little bit as you're hitting it back and forth, because if they're wide, it just starts to roll away and get away from you. So, better idea. Ground level. End is on the ground. Hit, 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 hit. And you're hitting up at 45 degrees angle. Wink, wink, wink. And pretty soon, if you're actually hitting up, it's going to become weightless when it gets to one side. And that's when you lift it off the ground.